What shall we tie-dye today?
Hey y'all! Cooks and I are here with another tie-dye technique. Today we're going to do tie-dyeing with marbles. Like always, I'm starting with a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in a soda ash solution for 20 minutes, spun out in the wash machine till damp. I've got a bag of rubber bands that I got at the dollar store and some marbles that I got at the dollar store. The concept is really easy. Grab a marble, put it under the top layer of the material of the shirt, hold it in place with one hand, pinch the material really tight around the marble, and then take a rubber band and wrap it around the marble really tight. This Jot, like J-O-T rubber bands that I got from Dollar Tree, I do not like. They break. So much breakage. Now that I've got the one marble in place, we're going to go ahead and do another one. So take the marble, put it underneath the top layer of the material, anywhere on the shirt. Hold the marble really tight with one hand, pinch it in place, and wrap the rubber band around it to hold it in place. The tighter you put the rubber band, the better the definition of the design. And continue to do that all over the front of the t-shirt. Now that you have the marbles placed on the front of the shirt, wherever you want them, turn the shirt over and do the same thing on the back side. Rubber band your marbles into place in a pattern or randomly to create your design. Now that you have your marbles in place, we're going to do a scrunch on the shirt, which is basically just doing that, scrunching the shirt. When you have the shirt scrunched to the point where you like the size and shape, start adding rubber bands to hold it in place. Make sure that it lays flat. Don't let the rubber bands be so tight that it folds up on itself like I just did. And keep adding rubber bands to hold the scrunch in place. So then we can move to the dyeing station. No one got mad at too many rubber bands, I promise. Alright, let's get ready to dye. I'm going to do two colors on this shirt. On this side, I'm going to use Bahama blue. I'm going to saturate this entire side with one color, the Bahama blue. I'm going to turn it over, and on this side I'm going to use whale tail, so I'm going to have a really pretty blue and a blue gray. I'm going to do whale tail over the entire other side, turn it back over and do a squiggle for accents on the other side. Throw it into a Ziploc baggie where it stays airtight and leave it for 24 hours.
And there you have it. There is your two-color crinkled tie-dye with marble accents. This is the front side. That is the back side. So look what you did today. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. And I'll talk to you soon.
It's locked.